deviations or deliberate deviations from the software requirements, and which is done by the developers. Logical errors definitely they present the software requirements by means of the erroneous algorithms. Similarly, जिनको हम semantic errors भी कहते हैं, wrong formulas are used, wrong decision logic tables are created. Similarly, incorrect text and wrong operators and operands are used, and they are leading to the logical errors. Process definitions, producers specified by the system analyst, not accurate reflection of the business process specified. So this can also lead to the logical error. कोडिंग एरर्स हम बात कर चुके हैं. सिंटैक्स और सिंथेटिकल और ग्रामेटिकल एरर्स भी इनको कहते हैं. लॉजिकल एरर्स जो हैं उनको सिमेंटिक एरर्स कहते हैं. और प्रोग्राम रन्स बट रिजल्ट्स आर रॉन्ग. और रन टाइम एरर्स जिसमें प्रोग्राम क्रैश होता है या मॉड्यूल क्रैश होता है, इसको हम इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फेलियर भी कंसिडर कर सकते हैं. Non-compliance with the documentation and the coding instructions, ये भी different faults को arise कर सकते हैं. For example, non-compliance with the published templates of the structures. Similarly, non-compliance with the coding standards. For example, attribute names are not followed as standard, and non-compliance with the documentation manuals. Seventh पे shortcomings of testing processes. They also may cause leaving lots of the defects which are not fixed. Likely the part of the development process cut short most frequently. Incomplete test plans in which parts of the applications not tested are tested thoroughly. Failure of the document report detected errors and the faults, and failure to quickly correct detected faults due to unclear indications that there was a fault. So quick response to the faults may cause some of the faults which are not fixed properly. Failure to fix the errors due to time constraints. So sometimes shortage of the times may cause we fail to fix different kinds of the errors, or eventually the software is delivered with the presence of different kinds of errors. It's the user interface errors, the layout design or colored ambiguity or concerns or key concerns in user interface errors. Similarly, the navigation style, how natural the interaction your software or your developed product is providing to the user or the customer. Then जनाब documentation errors हैं. Errors in the design document causing trouble for the subsequent redesign and the reuse, and ultimately also affecting the increased cost of the overall project. Errors in the documentation within the software for the user manuals. Errors may be in online help design which is available for the users online to use that particular kind of the software or web application or online system. Listing non-existing software functions, for example planned early but dropped. ऐसे जो non-existing software functions हैं उनको आप documentation में list करते हैं, वो भी एक error है documentation का, which are not needed now but they still remain in the documentation. अच्छा जनाब, क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस एंड डिफेक्ट्स, यहाँ पे हम डिफरेंट स्ट्रेटजीज़ की बात करेंगे कि क्वालिटी एश्योरेंस और इट्स डीलिंग विद द डिफेक्ट्स, how it can occur. Quality assurance and the defects are always closely tied to keep the defects at the minimal level, and for this adopt different approaches to avoid damages to the software product because of the defects. Common approaches are as below. Effective defect prevention के algorithms को हम implement करते हैं. High levels of removal, defect removal efficiency है. Accurate defect detection before the project begins. Accurate defect tracking during the development. ये हमने लास्ट स्लाइड में भी डिस्कस किए थे. इसी तरह से यूज़फुल क्वालिटी मेजरमेंट टेक्निक्स हैं जिसकी थ्रू आप क्वालिटी मैट्रिक्स को यूज़ करते हुए डिफेक्ट्स को मिनिमाइज़ कर सकते हैं और अल्टीमेटली क्वालिटी अचीव की जा सकती है. और यूज़र्स की कस्टमर सेटिस्फेक्शन, उनकी जो रिक्वायरमेंट्स हैं और एक्सपेक्टेशंस हैं, तो ब्रिजिंग द गैप बिटवीन द यूज़र एक्सपेक्टेशंस एंड द यूज़र परसेप्शन that lead to the user and ultimate user satisfaction, or definitely it will decrease the probability of different defects. ये